I am the principal investigator and have an amazing team of people who really have worked with me together since 2010 to develop the most comprehensive pediatric palliative care curriculum which there is at the moment. And what we have found, it's really, really important to hold the space of psychosocial spiritual support. But at the same time, we really are growing that we need to be really good in pain management and symptom management. If a child is suffering from pain, if a child is suffering from nausea and vomiting, you need to be able to treat this right here and then. And this is important for a physician, this is important for a nurse, this is important for a social worker, this is important for a child life specialist, anyone from the interdisciplinary team. We were able to train more than 1,500 clinicians from exactly 100 countries so far. I, of course, am very biased, but I can strongly recommend to consider attending an EPEC Pediatric course to gain more background information about pain and symptom management, about communication, about how to break bad news, and how to provide psychosocial, spiritual care for children and families with serious illness.